Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing us how to make chicken pepper soup. Yes, we are still on the pepper soup tour. So this chicken pepper soup, I'm going to be cooking my chicken with the pepper soup ingredients from the scratch. So I'm not going to boil my chicken first before making the pepper soup and adding it together. No. So if you want to see how I made my chicken pepper soup, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it. So to the list of the ingredients, I have chicken, already washed chicken. Please make sure you wash your chicken thoroughly. I have the Cameroon pepper, seasoning cubes, the homemade pepper soup spice, salt, vegetable oil, pepper soup seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, thyme and curry powder. So in a pot, I'll be adding the already washed chicken, add some seasoning cubes, salt, sliced onions. I'll be going in with the seasoning, thyme, curry powder, some vegetable oil, ginger and garlic powder, the pepper soup mix or the pepper soup spice, the pepper soup seasoning, some Cameroon pepper. Feel free to adjust the pepper to how spicy you want it to be. Then I'll be adding enough water for the pepper soup and enough to cook the chicken, and leave it to boil until the chicken is soft and tender, until it is well cooked. If you follow this recipe, the pepper soup spice would enter the chicken very well, that when you're eating the chicken it would have absorbed a lot of seasoning. The chicken is well seasoned and the flavor of the chicken is also in the pepper soup, so you have a very delicious pepper soup at the end of the recipe. You can decide to garnish with spring onions or scent leaves. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.